Gno-monitoring is a tool made by Samourai.world letting you monitor Gno Land validators through two services. There is the block exporter, which lets you track missed block from a specific Gno Land validator and expose them in a Grafana dashboard. So it lets you create this kind of dashboards through the front end. I will show a bit after. And the GovDAO and validator alerting system through backends. It will expose this alert on Discord or Slack. I will explain how to set it up. To use it, it requires Docker and Docker Compose. To start monitor your own validator, you must clone the repositories and go in the block exporter and do Docker Compose up. And the Docker will start and the service will start and will be available in the localhost 8888/metrics. By going on the right website, you can see a lot of comments that can be used in further processing in, for example, Grafana. And you can do Ctrl+C to just cut it. If you want to let it go, you can do -D for detach mode. As to note, for the block exporter, you must copy the config YAML template and add your own config with your own validator address just there. This one is one of the demo address. And now to run the backend, you must go in the right directories, do Docker Compose up, and you will see directly all the activities that is being done. You must as well add the config YAML templates with your own informations. There is a clerk secret keys over there for authentications. It is not necessary if you are in dev mode equal true. This one must be deactivated if you go in productions, since all the routes won't be protected. And you must set the good URL address. So in my case, it is test8. And to set up a webhook on Discord, you must go on the README over there. There is some examples to access the service. And let's say we want to set up a GovDAO alert system on Discord. I copy these commands. This one will ask for a webhook of Discord. By going on Discord, you must go on one of the servers that you own. You must go in the parameter, and then you must click on integrations. You click on webhooks and you create on new webhooks. It will create it. And on this one, you will be able to copy the URL of the webhooks. You'll be able to paste it over there. As to note, don't try to copy this one. I will revoke it right after. You can copy this link and then paste it with the Gno-monitoring's backend workings. You launch it and the webhook has been created successfully. And now by going on Discord, we can see the new proposal number 0, and this one will be displayed in real times. That's kind of everything. You want to follow the validators. You just replace the GovDAO by the validators just over there. And if you want to list the available webhooks, you just copy these comments and you will be able to see the available webhooks at the time. There's many other routes that you can use, but these ones are the most important. Now for the last part, there is a front end in these directories, and you do npm run dev to launch it. And this one will connect with the backends, and it will display the block 8, the latest incidents, and basically everything that will be gets from the backends. There's the explorer that you can go through gnoscan.io. There is a clerk website authentications, so this one you can set it up, but it is not necessary for testing. It can be useful if you want to set up some settings you want to share with other people. As a last note, you can access all of this information on the Gno Love website through the GovDAO or validators page. It shows you the active proposal, unique voters, and so on with the different proposals. There is more details when you click on it, and it is the same for the validators. The big plus with Gno monitoring is the alerting through your Discord channels. So if you have a validators, it doesn't shut down with no notifications. Thank you for listening. Everything is detailed in the README over there. If you have any question, you can write it in the comments.